Yummy D-shaped chicken samosa. So delicious. Made by Shabina. Let's make 2 cup maida. 1 teaspoon zero crushed it. 3 tablespoon ghee. 1 tablespoon namak. Mix well. Do it like this. Then make a dough. Add half cup warm water. Dough is ready. Grease oil. Cover it. 2 tablespoon oil. 1 teaspoon listen adrak paste. Cooked it. 250 gram chicken keema. Cooked well. Add spices. 1 teaspoon PC lal mirch, half teaspoon haldi, 1 tablespoon namak, half teaspoon garam masala. Add in it. Mix well. One teaspoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon chili sauce. Mix well. Add some water. Cooked well. Cover it for 5 minutes. Open it. Cooked until the water absorbs. One medium piazan to haramarchin. Mix well. Add some haradania. Mix well. Chicken is ready. Dough is ready. Knit well. Make a ball of dough. Cut it. Make perhe. Das maida. Rolling it. Give round shape. Make samosa. Water on corners. Add batter. Fold it. Press its corners. Design with fork. Samosa is ready. So beautiful. All samosas are ready. Let's fry. Turn its sides. Fry on low flame. It's golden brown. Ready to serve. Chicken D-shaped samosas. So yummy. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.